What's going on, guys? It's Cameron from Westin Automotive and Super Wrench, and today I'm here to talk about the features and benefits of our Pro Series bumper mid-width for the all-new Tacomas. So it is a full 10-gauge steel construction. The winch plate is actually 4-gauge steel, and it'll fit from a 8,000 up to a 12,000 pound synthetic winch. Here we have featured our Super Wrench SX 10,000 pound series winch. So it does feature large access holes on the side to make winch operation easier. It does feature 2 recovery points and will fit up to a 20-inch single row light bar. So this low profile design optimizes your approach angle and will also work with your factory skid plate. So for any more information about this bumper, go ahead and visit westinautomotive.com.